Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. By the way, my name is Aruna Chaudhary, a motivational speaker, yoga trainer and a teacher. Today's topic is something that is very close to my heart. If you truly want to grow, to get success, to improve, to live in a peaceful life, this video is only for you. Self-awareness means knowing yourself deeply. Ask yourself, who am I? Not what the world calls you, not what the name on your identity card, not what the role you play in life. Then who are you? Where no one knows you. What are your thoughts? What are your emotions? What are your feelings? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What makes you happy? What triggers your anger? It's about understanding why you feel in a certain way, why feel you in a certain way, why behave you in a certain way. Ask a question, why? It is who, this is who, what I want to be. Most of the people don't know the answer of these questions because most of the people live in autopilot. People react without knowing. People compare themselves to others. They feel frustrated without knowing why. And self-awareness, this gives you power, the power to choose your actions, your reactions, your destination, your direction, and your destiny. So this is the power of self-awareness. Think about a person who loses his temper very quickly. They might say that this is who I am. But is it really? Or is it just a habit? But they never questioned. Imagine if they take a moment or get a chance to analyze their behavior, they might understand that their anger is not truly who they are. Instead, that is something that they learn from the surroundings, from their experiences, from their insecurities. Once they get a chance or once they understand this, they can change their life. This is the power of self-awareness. This is the same applies to every part of your personality. If you feel shy or hesitate to speak up, ask a question to yourself. Are you really a shy person or you are just afraid of being judged? If you are low confidence because of that you are incapable, or you have been told that you are not good enough. When you begin questioning to yourself, you start finding the answer, the real you, hidden beneath all the layers of conditioning or fear. This is the power of self-awareness. Imagine someone insults you. A non-aware person will react instantly with anger and self-doubt. But an aware person, self-aware person, pauses and asks questions himself or herself. Is it true? Why did that affect me? Should I respond or let it go? That pause is growth. That pause is power. That is the power of self-awareness. One of the best way to develop self-awareness is spend some time with yourself alone. In today's world, people are always distracted, scrolling through social media and watching endless content, filling every quiet moment with noise. Always remember, self-discovery or self-awareness is happening in silence. So spend some time, take out some time to spend of yourself with yourself. And this is the only way. When you ask questions to yourself, about your feelings, about your thoughts, weaknesses, strength, then you will get the answers. So this is just happen in the silence when you spend some time with yourself, self-awareness. Take some quiet place, sit quietly and ask questions, especially before night. What did you feel today? What triggered you? What makes you happy today? Ask these questions. Write your thoughts on general, what you feel. Write down. Sometimes you go for a walk alone. This is the only way. If you spend some time with yourself alone, then this is the way. When you questioning and you just getting the answers, then this is the way only to self-awareness, to develop self-awareness. And self-awareness means knowing yourself deeply. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be aware, because the moment you become aware is the moment that can begin to change. So today, choose to look within and where your strength is there. Hope this talk is useful, this message is inspire you. Meet you in the next video with another motivational thought and ideas. Till then, keep growing, keep glowing, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye bye.